Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to change your Apple Pay billing address in 2025. Whether you've moved, updated your info, or just want to double-check everything, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Apple Pay makes payments seamless, but keeping your details accurate is key to avoiding any hiccups during transactions. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're on the latest iOS update for 2025. It's called iOS 19, and it brings some slick improvements to Apple Pay. To get started, unlock your iPhone and open the Wallet app. That's the one with the wallet icon, the one that holds all your cards and passes. Once you're in the Wallet app, find the card you want to update. Tap on it to open the details. Now, look for the three-dot menu in the top right corner. That's your gateway to editing. Select Card Details, or Info, and then scroll down until you see the Billing Address section. Here, you can tap Edit to make changes. Type in your new address carefully, double-check the street, city, zip code, and any other details to ensure it's spot on. Apple might prompt you to verify this with your Apple ID or through a quick authentication step, like Face ID or a passcode, for security reasons. Once you're done, hit Save or Done at the top right. And just like that, you're all set. Your updated billing address should now sync across your Apple devices. Remember, if you have multiple cards, you'll need to repeat this for each one. One tip: always test a small purchase after changes to confirm everything works smoothly. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tech savvy.